Let me show you all of the screenshot methods available on OnePlus 13. So first, the basic screenshot is to swipe down your finger from top of the screen, and then in the quick settings, you should be able to find a screenshot button. You can click on it to capture a screenshot like this. Another way is to open your settings, scroll all the way down and enter accessibility and convenience. Then inside you should be able to find a screenshot option, and you can activate 3 fingers swipe down, 3 fingers touch and hold, and power and volume down combination. So the first one, when we swipe our fingers from top of the screen, we'll be able to capture a screenshot. If we hold our 3 fingers onto the screen, we can make a partial screenshot. And then if we click on the power button and volume down button, this one and this one at the same time, we also make a screenshot. Let me demonstrate that as well when you can see the screen. And that is basically everything. You can also make a scrollable screenshot by taking any type of a screenshot except the partial one, and then there's a scroll option which will capture entire page. And that is everything. Thanks so much for watching.